Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Premiere Pro Beginner series, and in this video we are going to take a look into the transitions. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, I've already imported two video clips in the timeline. Here you can see that I haven't implemented any transitions between these two videos. There are different ways to add transitions to your videos, and the first thing that you can do to apply transition is by right clicking on your mouse in between two videos, and you can find one option to apply default transition. After clicking on that, our default transition is now applied in our video. If you want, then you can change the default transition with your favorite transition as well. Now you can see our video is looking pretty nice, and if you want, then you can change the duration of transitions by dragging your transitions just like this. And I suggest you to apply short transitions because the long transition makes video a little bit boring. And you can also change some transition settings by heading over to effect controls, and here you can see, just like before, you can simply drag this transition to increase or decrease the length of your transition. And here you can see one option of this alignment where you can change the settings according to your needs. Now if you want to apply some other transitions, then you can click on effects option to apply different transitions, and if this effects option is missing on your Premiere Pro, then you can click on the window option, and then you need to select workspaces and click on effects, and after that you can see similar interface like this. And you can see one folder of video transitions where you can find different types of transitions present already. And it depends upon you that what types of transition you prefer to apply on your videos. Currently we are using this cross dissolve transition, which is set as default. And you can see this blue square box denotes that this transition is set as default, and if you want, then you can right click on your mouse to change the default transitions for your videos. And again, you can do the same thing to apply your favorite transitions, or if you want, then you can simply drag and drop any transitions to apply it on your video. So here are lots of transitions that you can apply to your videos, but remember one thing, that by applying lots of transitions on your single video doesn't make your video good. So apply transitions just where it is actually needed. And sometimes by applying lots of transitions effects on your video, it may provide a laggy experience when you are previewing your video. Now here you can see one red line is showing in our timeline, which indicates that our video should be rendered for smooth playback. So to get rid of that, you can press enter on your keyboard for preview render, and after that you can see that red line is now replaced with the green line, and now there won't be much problem when you are previewing your video. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have understood that how you can apply different transitions on your videos, and if you want more videos like this, then sub to the channel would be incredible. So this is Tricky for you, and a boy signing out.